Babe, what are you doing?
Oh, we're doing a makeup tutorial.
Wait, what?
Babe, no, stop looking. That's not
It
right.
looks like your own picnic or something, like in the middle of the living room. What's going on?
Leave me alone.
Are those all stuff from the fridge? What the heck?
Babe, I'm doing your makeup. And you're gonna look cute.
Wait, what the heck is going on, yo? What time is it right now? What is going on? What time is it?
I'm bored.
So wait, we're doing like a makeup thing with what? With just our food?
Yeah.
You're crazy. What is that? Coconut? What?
Stop it. Stop cheating.
I'm not cheating.
You are.
What? This is not a game. We're just. I mean, I'm down, but like, I'll do your makeup. You're not doing my makeup. Can you eat that? Is that edible?
Yeah, you could cook with it, but it's good for your face too.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I used to put coconut on my face, honestly.
What does it do?
It softens it. It's oil, but you already have oily skin, so you don't really need more oil because you already have it.
Why are you doing it?
Because, babe, what else am I gonna use?
Oh my gosh, that sounds like it's gonna itch. Oh, it itches already.
No, it doesn't. It's
It just
coconut.
feels weird. It feels really weird.
So guys, if you see I broke off 2 nails, so don't judge. I'm gonna get them done tomorrow. Is that a booger?
What?
I'm joking. It's an eyelash. Ah! You got scared, didn't you? Do they see it? Oh my god, they totally see you're like.
Am I pale?
I think this is true. You look pale on camera. Go like this. There you go.
Ow!
Just like, okay. That's a real boogie.
What? I don't know any boogies.
You actually believe me though. Wait, babe.
Why are you going in my hair?
My bad, babe. Your hair's long.
Alright, let's
Baby!
go.
Alright, so I'm mixing some butter in this bowl. This is like a crazy scientifically done.
That just looks.
Oh my gosh. Come, Romeo. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. It's peanut butter. You love peanut butter.
It's just starting to itch my face.
Come on.
What? This is taking forever. Bad boy.
Romeo.
Alright, let's start this already, please.
Alright, so this is your foundation, okay?
Okay, alright. That just looks.
Ew! So I'm gonna put this on his face. I did a pretty good job. Right, ready, babe?
Okay, go. Oh, it's cold. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
How does it feel? Be honest.
I don't know how I feel about this.
Sorry, babe. I'm sorry I have to do this to you right now. But I have to.
Okay.
Okay, now we're even more ready. Alright. Look up, baby.
This is foundation? This is what it feels like to have foundation on?
No, this is what it feels like peanut butter and butter on.
Oh my gosh.
Baby, look at me. Alright, babe.
Cinnamon? It's not gonna burn?
No. Smells so good.
It
Okay.
does smell good.
Ready?
Yep.
Push your face.
Wait, what is this for? What is this called?
This is, I don't know what this is called, but this is to give you more color.
Wait, what is that? Pepperoni for what?
To stick the
Powder?
onto your face. Oh my gosh, I'm so smart.
It worked? Pepperoni?
That is supposed to be a contour.
Contour?
Yeah. There you go.
I look like I got beat up and I had a really bad fight. I look like a zombie.
Wait, baby, don't look yet, okay? Promise me, only everyone else can look, okay? I'll contour your nose a bit. So this, we have some whipped butter.
Oh my
Because
gosh.
I love whipped butter, but it's white, so I'm gonna just, you know what? I actually want to eat this, so I'm not gonna show my finger in it. I'm gonna use this as concealer. I'm gonna mush it. How's your face feel right now?
It feels like there's a lot of stuff on my face that's food and it shouldn't be there because it's food.
I'm gonna use a baby marshmallow and use it as a mini beauty blender.
Oh my gosh, that's cold too.
And for some reason, it's melting and it's not showing that much white.
Can I look at my face now?
Nope, not yet. I'm gonna use
cream cheese.
I hate cheese.
Oh!
Sorry.
Probably like a raccoon or something.
Oh my god. So that is concealer.
This just looks like tanning lotion under my eyes. What kind of makeup is this?
So now we have some blush.
What? We're not done yet?
Nope.
What is that?
Paprika. Which is blush.
Oh! Does that stuff burn?
No, it's not hot. This is what Cyrus looks like right now.
Hi, my name is Cyrus Dobre and I do YouTube.
So I put, this part is supposed to be his blush. And the cinnamon back here is supposed to be contour, just like here and up here. That is supposed to be concealer. Oh, I didn't put lipstick yet.
What? How's that lipstick? What? What?
It's lipstick. Alright, I have one more step.
One more step?
Yeah.
What else could you do? What? Oh my gosh, are you serious?
This is gel.
Oh my gosh. Cream cheese is gel? Oh gosh, I don't like the feeling. I don't like that feeling. Ah! Get out of my shirt.
What? Last one.
Alright, now it's my turn. You know what? I'm gonna do it my style. So forget the contour, forget the foundation.
What does that mean?
Guacamole.
What the heck are you doing with guacamole in my... What am I, the Hulk? Babe, that's too much. Wait. Oh, it's so cold. Why did you pick such
I told you. What do you mean? You have to be cold on me.
I should definitely tie my hair up.
That's dope.
Okay, look. Down in my mouth. I'll eat guacamole. I'll eat guacamole.
Hey, you definitely tie your hair up right now.
Okay, wait. I need to breathe. Oh, okay, babe. Not in my eyes. Promise? Promise?
Okay, there's a little bit on your hair.
No, there isn't.
Yeah, there is.
Where?
Your little bangs.
Baby! Wait, did you do my whole face? What the heck? Why is it missing here?
Oh, wait. Because I want to get your hair.
My cheeks are starting to burn.
Actually?
Oh my god, what is that? Onion?
Wait, no, it's not.
What's in there?
Is it?
Babe.
What? And now we got chocolate sauce. Let's go.
Wait, what are you doing with that?
I don't know. This
Babe.
is to make your face look a little more tan.
Babe. I'm never trusting you to ever do my makeup. Ever in my life. No, stop laughing at me. Stop!
Now you definitely look more. You definitely look more tan.
What?
I don't know. Alright. Alright.
That's enough chocolate. Wait, what are you doing? Baby, look, at least don't spill it everywhere. Like, ugh! Please.
Lipstick. Lipstick. Alright, last step.
Ah! Not my eyes! Ah! Ugh! You're making fun of me. This is your
You look
work.
beautiful. Look at you.
Oh my god, I taste onions. I taste onions. I said onions. Stop on my eyebrows. I said onions. Please take it off.
Really?
Yeah.
Where? Where the onions at? Where the onions at? Maybe actually, where the onions at?
I don't know.
You don't like onions?
No.
Chocolate. And onions.
I told you. I called you. I called you. I have a lot of
I called you?
I have a lot of saliva in my mouth because I can't swallow. Because there's a lot of onions. I can't swallow onions.
I think I'm done. I think I'm done with your
I
makeup.
touch my lips because it tastes like crap.
Okay, I think I'm done with your makeup. Alright?
Can I have a pepperoni?
You gotta put on your cheeks.
My cheek? You're putting on my cheek?
Blush.
Babe, I look like a homemade pizza that a 3-year-old made.
Well.
With onions. What? Is that my eyebrows?
Thank you for watching, guys. We love you so much. We post every Monday. So make sure you like and subscribe. I don't understand. I don't know what language you're speaking. Today's post notification shout out goes to Alicia.
Cheeks are falling.
Make sure you tap that bell if you want to post notification shout out and comment Cyrena. We'll see you guys next week.